Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin.
Is this not amazing looking or what? I'll step aside for this car. It is absolutely gorgeous. A 67 Mustang, full rotisserie restoration, done top to bottom, restored as a Shelby GT350. Go to volocars.com. You can look at all the photos, full description, price on this car, and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale. But right now, why don't you join me? We'll go for a spin in a 67 GT350. Acapulco blue, white stripes, polished wheels, 67 fastback. I mean, come on, that's it. That's going to turn heads everywhere you go. And it's done up as a Shelby. It's got the scooped hood with the extensions on the front fenders. Got the emblems, the stripes, the scoops, the dovetail fiberglass trunk lid with the extensions, the tail lights, the gas cap. Stunning, stunning car. The paint is phenomenal. The body is laser straight. I bought this car out of New Mexico. Really clean, dry body. And again, on a rotisserie. The bottom of the car is like brand new. All the suspension components, the bottom of the motor, the transmission, you could eat off of it. Bottom of the motor has a finned aluminum oil pan. It's a C4 automatic with a chrome pan. It has gas shocks, has a front sway bar, disc brakes in front, really nice exhaust, which I'll start it for you later. You can hear it. It's a stainless steel exhaust with the X-pipe and Flowmaster mufflers. Chrome polished, chrome Krager wheels, a little bit bigger in back, a little taller tire, a little bit wider. The car is lowered. It has the outboard lights and the Shelby grille. The motor compartment's beautiful. Now a GT350 originally was a 289, that's what this one is. And it's built to Shelby specs and maybe a little beyond. It's about 300 horsepower, runs real strong. Dressed up with the Cobra valve covers and air cleaner. It's got a chromed intake, Edelbrock carb, MSD ignition, long tube headers. Immaculate, show quality motor compartment. You could eat off that engine compartment as well. New windshield, all the trim is new. Gaps are spotless. Door lock works. Jambs are painted, new weather strip, new interior, door panels, carpet, seats, seat cushions. The whole dash is restored. It's all sparkly new chrome as the Shelby emblem on the glove box door. Trunk compartment, all clean metal, painted blue. It's got an amplifier for the stereo, two 6x9 speakers. The jamb is painted real nice, new weather strip. Trunk does not want to stay open on its own. It's a fiberglass trunk, so you need a rod to hold that up. It's got the wood Shelby style steering wheel with the aluminum spokes. The handles look new, sill plates look new. CD stereo with a remote. It's a cold start. It's been sitting in here since yesterday. Fired right up. Very snappy, responsive. And again, it's not even warmed up. All the metal's real nice. Absolutely gorgeous car to look at. Who would not want to be seen in this car? In the The 67 Shelby was the last one built by Shelby. 68, they were built by Ford. So 67s and earlier are the most desirable. So this is a tribute to one, but it's one heck of a tribute. So go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact our staff. They'll answer all your questions, walk you through the process. We have shipping, we have financing. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way to see these awesome cars as we put the videos out, and we will continue to keep putting them out. I appreciate everyone who's been watching. Thank you.